Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make any Android smartphone screen dim without decreasing brightness. So without any further delay, let's begin. So from the topic you have known that I'm going to make my Android smartphone screen brightness into dim without needing to decrease your screen brightness. So you can see I have this much of screen brightness, right? So you can see here. So I'm not gonna use this screen brightness to dim my smartphone screen brightness. So for this, what you need to do, you need to download one application named as Redmond. So I'll be leaving this application download link in the video description, so you can click there and firstly download and install these applications. Then after that, just tap on this application. Now you can see this kind of interference. Just click on this arrow to proceed. Click on this tick mark. Now you can see on the above, just enable this. Now it will ask you some permissions. Just click on OK. Now just search for the application name as Redmond. As you can see here, just enable this option for the Redmond. Now you can just go back. Now as you can see here, the brightness, right? So what you need to do is, you can see your opacity by default is 50%, right? So we'll just make it to 0, right? And we'll just enable again this Redmond. So you can see here the screen brightness has been dimmed. So you can increase the darkness also if you want to dim your screen brightness. So you can see here. So if you increase this and if you decrease it, keep decreasing, you can see it's a default screen brightness, right? So let me show you. Let me increase this darkness and let me just go to the notification panel. You can see the original brightness, right? So if I go back and now if I go to the screen also, now you can see it's a dimmer, right? So let me just disable it. So you can see it is being back to the normal brightness. So a very good applications to make your screen brightness dimmer without using or needing to decrease your phone brightness level. So definitely a very good applications if you are fond of reading articles or books in your Android smartphones. Then I think these applications will gonna help you to reduce your eye strains or while you are reading any books or articles online on your respective Android devices. So definitely a very useful applications that you should definitely try it out. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.